Hello viewers, welcome to Mathstoon. In today's video, we will learn to solve a simple equation 4x is equal to 25. For more updates, please visit mathstoon.com or check the link given in the description box. Let's get started. This is our given equation. Look that in the left hand side, we have 4 as the coefficient of x. So we will divide the both sides by 4. Doing so, we get 4x by 4 is equal to 25 by 4. In the left hand side, 4 gets cancelled and we are left with x. And as 25 by 4 cannot be simplified further, so we will keep it same. So finally we get x is equal to 25 by 4 as our answer. Thank you for watching. Please like and share this video if you find it useful. Leave a comment in the comment box. Do not forget to subscribe this channel. Please hit the bell icon to get notification of new videos earlier.